like if I'm being completely, not only with me, but with my underage friends. He would say really inappropriate things to my underage friends. So it didn't confuse me or surprise me that he was doing shady stuff on the
Yeah.
internet and sending stuff around to minors. But again, I just didn't want to deal with it at that point.
Didn't need to.
Holidays were around the corner. A year passes and something similar happened, but it came straight from him. Like, I downloaded Telegram to talk to a company that deals with psychedelics. So we speak sometimes on Signal and Telegram and stuff like that. And I guess your notifications go off when one of your contacts joins Telegram,
Hmm.
and he must have got a notification that I was on, and I get a message from him, and I see his username profile picture. It is him sprawled out naked, like a Victoria's Secret effing model,
Ew.
hovering, and I go, what the f? I freak out, and I blocked him. And at this point, I was like, I have to rid myself of this because I forgot to mention when that Facebook profile picture woman came through, she also was like, "Your father owes me money." She came after me. She tried to blackmail me. She goes, "This is your company. I'm going to do X, Y, and Z." She started posting on my company
Oh my
page.
goodness.
And that's when I was like, I need to just, I'm done with him.
Yeah.
So it was the culmination after my brother passed of these inappropriate things happening on the internet and memories flooding back of him doing inappropriate things, saying inappropriate things to my friends when we were 13 years old, my sister's friends when they were 17, him having just absolutely no shame, being a womanizer, being completely inappropriate with me. And, you know, that was it. That was the last straw. So I've completely changed my last name, and it's been very liberating, to say the
Hmm.
least, to just not
Hmm.
have that baggage
Hmm.
attached to me anymore. To start new, and also to make the decision to know again, because at one point I did try to understand where he came from. I
Right.
did try to make amends and have empathy, but at this point you're not going to continue to ruin my life, And I'm not mad. I think
Yeah.
people, they say your parents are your parents, though. You need to keep your parents in your life. I think we should do things in our power to make amends with our parents and have respect. But if they are jeopardizing your life still as adults, you do have the freedom to cut ties.